Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's time for some more easy DIY ornaments. So for this ornament, you'll just need a clear ball. I'm using just a plastic one. And you're just going to cut a few inches off of a garland. That's it. And then you will just stuff it inside the ball, put the cap on, and you're done. How easy is that? You can use plastic ornaments, glass ornaments, as long as it's clear. You just need a few inches, so you may not even have to buy any garland. Just use one on your tree and cut off a few inches. You can use some tweezers if you need to get it in the ball. But these would be so cute in all different colors of garland. You can stick more than one piece in if it's a little bit thin, or depending on the size of your ball, you may need a little bit longer piece. But that's it. Hang them on the tree. They look really cute if you put a light behind them. For this next one, I'm using these white glass balls that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And you will just need a bucket with some room temperature water in it and nail polish. You only need a little bit of nail polish, so you can use something you have on hand, or I picked these up at Dollar Tree for $1 a bottle. And you're just going to sprinkle the nail polish on the water. You can use as many colors as you want. I'm just going to use 2 colors. Now do keep in mind that they will show up lighter in color than what the nail polish actually is. So just sprinkle them around. And it is better if you do have a solid color ball. You don't necessarily need white. You could use clear. But I do recommend using gloves for this one, just so you don't get nail polish all over your hands. But you're just going to slowly dip the ball right down into the water up to the little metal tab at the top, and then pull it straight up. Now I do have this dowel rod that I just kind of hung over the side of the tub, and that's what I'm using to hang the balls on when I'm done, and I'll let them dry for about 24 hours. Usually doesn't take that long, but just to be on the safe side. So if you need to add some more color in between balls, you can go ahead and do that. But every ball is different, and it looks just really cool. A nice, easy craft that you can do, probably with stuff you have on hand, and they just look fabulous on the trees. So here's how they turned out. I did one in 2 colors of like red, and as I said, they do show up lighter, so the red actually looked more of a pink. But they still turned out great. Each one looks different. Super easy, fast to do. Here's those beautiful metallic garland balls. So use stuff you have on hand. DIY some new ornaments this year. Get the kids involved.